Hello, we received a call today. A resident without heating. What surprise will we have? Celadonio, what happened here? What? It is obvious that it cannot heat. It does not have a heating system installed. We are going to uncover here to install a heating element. Here I bring an almost new system that I found. It looks very good. It's just what I need to solve this problem. They exist of several elements, 1, 2, 3, or more. This is 2 heating element. These residents are very lucky because there is a lot of snow now and we cannot make orders that arrive before 24 hours. We secure the cover of the element well with screws and put the energy distributor on. Each screw must be well tightened. Remember that this can be very dangerous with improper installation. We place the transformer power cable. We installed a new heating element, right? Now I need a controller for that new element, and here it is. At the end of the video, I will leave you 3 diagrams with the correct wiring for those who may need it. I will also leave you a direct link so you can download the diagram. It is advisable to switch to a heat pump if your home does not use natural gas and your current heating system runs on electricity. Although heat pumps also run on electricity, they consume less energy compared to heating systems in heating mode. Opting for a heat pump is best if your air conditioner has already reached the end of its useful life. In a single installation, you can get both heating and cooling. This makes heat pumps the most economical option. The central air system is one of the most useful appliances in your home. It keeps you warm during the winter and cold during the summer. It can even clean the air inside your home, raising its quality.